Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Snapchat and making sure the app is updated. This avoids missing features. Take a photo or pick one from memories, then tap the scissors icon to enter sticker creation. Carefully trace the part you want as a sticker. Precise edges make reuse cleaner, and hit save. Once done, the new sticker lands in your My Stickers tray so you can reuse it quickly in chats and on snaps. This is faster than recreating it every time. Next, you refine and place that sticker. Open the sticker drawer and locate My Stickers, or use the search bar to fetch saved items. Tap and drag a sticker onto your snap, then pinch to scale, twist to rotate, and drag to layer it precisely. Layering gives depth and clarity. Make sure to combine stickers with text or Bitmoji when needed, because visuals with context read faster. Once satisfied, proceed to send or add to your story for broader visibility. Finally, send and manage your stickers. You can drop stickers into chats or attach them to snaps and stories. Press send when ready. To clean up, long press any sticker in My Stickers to delete or reorganize it. This keeps the tray usable. If you run into problems, update Snapchat first, then clear the app cache and restart your phone. Also confirm camera and storage permissions. These steps resolve most issues, so your custom stickers stay reliable and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.